Hey everyone, and welcome. In a world that's just drowning in data and AI, a whole new type of company is starting to pop up. These are companies built not just to, survive the chaos, but to actually use it. Today, we're taking a look at a firm that's designed to do just that, to turn today's business challenges into a real competitive edge. Let's dive in. So let's just kick things off with a big question, one that pretty much every business leader is asking themselves right now. With this explosion in AI, is all that complex data you have actually helping you grow, or is it just creating more noise? Well, finding the signal in that noise, that's the exact problem a company like KaleidoSpark was built to solve. So how exactly do you find that spark of brilliance in all that noise? Well, the answer might lie in finding a new kind of strategic partner, one that was literally built for this moment. And that partner, you guessed it, is KaleidoSpark. So what is KaleidoSpark really? Okay, their official title is a strategic management services firm, but I think it's better to think of them as a hybrid. They've got the super sharp, data-driven brain of a tech company, but they combine it with the seasoned wisdom of an expert consultancy. Their whole goal isn't just to help you get by in the age of AI, it's to help you absolutely dominate in it. And get this, they're brand new, founded just this year, 2024, and they've already planted flags in two of the most important cities in the world, San Francisco and London. Now, this isn't just about having fancy offices, it's about being plugged directly into the main circuits of both tech innovation and global finance right from day one. Okay, so that's the big promise, right? But how do they actually pull it off? How do they take all that complexity we were just talking about and turn it into real clarity and, more importantly, real growth? Let's break down their core solutions. Their whole approach is built on these four pillars that work together to create this complete growth engine. See, it all starts with strategy. That's the AI-powered consulting. Then they take that strategy and make it real by building custom software. But hey, great tools are pretty useless without skilled people, right? So that's where they come in to train and empower the workforce. And finally, they tie it all together by focusing on what really matters, the bottom line, with sales enablement. It's a full circle solution. Let's zoom in a little on their approach to AI. For these guys, it is not a buzzword, it's a tool for translation. The whole goal is to translate messy, complicated data into sharp, actionable insights. The kinds of insights that actually let you optimize your operations and build a real sustainable edge over your competition. And look, this isn't just some high-level theory. They are building practical tools to solve real-world headaches. A perfect example is their SaaS tool, KuviBox. Anyone on an HR team knows the absolute pain of sifting through thousands of CVs. KuviBox just automates that entire mess, formatting, organizing, and making everything instantly searchable. It turns total chaos into a streamlined talent pipeline. But beyond the software, they really focus on the people. Yeah, this includes custom training, but the thing that really caught my eye is their AI-proof career accelerator. It's coaching designed specifically to help professionals build the skills that AI can't replace. We're talking critical thinking, creative strategy. It's about future-proofing your team, not just giving them new software to learn. Okay, but here's where it gets really interesting. This whole vision goes way beyond just serving clients. KaleidoSpark is actually trying to build an entire ecosystem. Their message is super clear. The future is way too big for anyone to build alone, so they're looking for people to build it with them. And here it is, the open invitation laid out plain and simple. They're bringing the strategists, the developers, and the trainers to the table. And they are actively looking for more developers, training partners, incubators, and investors to join forces with them. This is a real call to arms for collaborators who want to have a hand in building whatever comes next. And, this isn't just talk, because look at the roles they're hiring for right now. Things like global startup ecosystem architects. That's literally a job to build out this network. And blockchain developers to work on things like secure, high-speed trading protocols. These are not support roles. These are the people who are going to lay the foundation of this entire global ecosystem. So, after hearing all that, you might be thinking, okay, what's my next move? Whether you're a potential client, maybe a partner, or just someone who's super interested in the future of business and AI, here's how you can get connected. First off, if you like these kinds of explainers and want to see more on the companies and tech that are shaping our future, do us a favor and subscribe to this channel. And hey, share this with your network. And to plug directly into what KaleidoSpark is doing, you've got to follow them on LinkedIn. That's going to be your best source for their latest insights, their articles, and all the opportunities to collaborate. So let's end on this note from them because I think it just captures the spirit of this moment perfectly. They say, in the era of AI, the future isn't just coming, it's being built. Every single one of us has a role to play in that. So to all the creators, the innovators, and the builders watching, may the power to build be with you.